Good morning, brothers and sisters, boys and girls. It is 8:16 a.m. Central Standard Time on December 17th, 2021. Please hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Share this on social media. Let everybody know what's going on. Well, actually earlier this morning, looks like we had an M1.3 class flare pop off. We had three smaller sea clears that kind of got us into the day yesterday, and then we ended in, of course, it went even bigger, as we can see from the top of the orange one here. It just kind of slowly is on the uptick, coming up, which should be. We've got a lot of sunspots coming that are facing us and coming around the bend. So it looks like we're starting off the day pretty decent. Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 right now. And it's not even, well, actually it's just over past noon UTC time right now, but goodness gracious. Yeah, we could wind up with another M-class flare before the end of the day. Let's go check out a few more things. Here we are once again at spaceweatherlive.com. Here's our HMI intensitygram and our HMI magnetogram, and we still got those same wonderful spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Uh-oh, are we missing one? Pretty sure we had 7 yesterday. Did they unname this one? Oh. Yeah, they must have. Yeah, because 05 is gone. Fun stuff. So, from here, we'll actually come over to LASCO, and let's see if we can find any chronomass ejections coming out of here. We got a little bit of plasma. Oh, I had a little bit of a Borg cube there. Well, I didn't really see anything coming off of here. That's very interesting. Oh, look at that. Where's that Borg cube at? He might be up top or just off camera. So that's it. That's the other thing. If those Borg cubes are off camera, when they hit that technology, we won't see where it bends over at. Sometimes they're pretty good with it. I don't see any explosions of any kind. Alright. Let's see if we can catch him on this one. Nope, I don't see anything there either. It's looking all calm, but we kind of know. But I mean, we see a little bit of discharge this way, but something's not adding up. And over here at the SDO at NASA.gov, we're seeing most of our B class and C class, but we also get some C classes, and this is actually where our M class comes from right here. Woo, there it was. Yeah, it was just a little guy, little M.1, nothing to be super alarmed about. But let's see if we had any filament release. And over here at 304 angstroms, I am not seeing any amount of filament or plasma that we need to worry about, except for there's one teeny little spit up here right near the center. We'll actually see it spit out here in just a moment. Boom, see that little bloop? That really wasn't a whole lot to be concerned about. So filament wise, we seem to be doing pretty good. There are some little dances that go on. As you can clearly see over here, like something's being pulled up off of the sun, as usual. We're kind of used to seeing that over here. Got a little bit of filament dancing around the surface here. Kind of that could have whipped out a teeny bit, but nothing of grave importance. And here we are over here at the European Space Agency, over here looking at the solar wind forecasts. We call it Euphoria. Sorry. And as we can see, this is where we're at. We're pretty close to this point right here, folks. See, 15, 16, 17, and yeah, right about here actually. So as you can see, we're going up and down, lots of spikes, lots of little popping offs from all those little sea flares. We're getting teeny tiny amounts considering what it is. I mean, we just went through 30 centimeters squared, which I don't remember it being that. But they do seem to change these things daily. So let's go over and check out seeds. And here we are over here at seeds, daily moving near real time. And already, first frame of the day, we can see one nice and round right there. See another little one right there. And it looks like we got a live one right over here too. A little bit bigger, but kind of just chilling there. Sometimes it's a lot better when it's further away, actually, instead of zooming in. This one really makes it stand out. But let's go ahead and hit play. I did slow it down to 5 frames per second. So now we can take a nice. Oop, hold on a second. It's going the wrong way. Sorry about that. No, not next. Previous. See, I'm not a professional. I make mistakes. I'm human. There we go. Now, do you guys see it? Boom. And then it kind of splits V around it a little bit. It's almost like it's like bouncing up and down around over here or something. Because we do see it here. We also see, ooh, you see that? Right there. Yeah, there's quite a bit going on here. Oh, that was a nice one. Just kind of rolls over. And then this one's rolling over. There's so many that come off of this thing. There's like 3 or 4. It's quite impressive. Let's see if we can scooch in on it and for you real quick. And here we go. Zoomed in a little bit better for you. We got a good one there. Good one there. Looks like there's another good one right here. And it looks like there's another one right here. It's just amazing, just depending on how far away the sun is, or the blast is from these other little planetoid type objects. Depends on how it gets seen. You guys looking at those areas? Look at all of them. Ooh, and then a secondary blast. Nice. Yep, lots of good stuff going on over at the sun. Or should I say our main sun, Sol. We do have a second one named Nemesis, so we'll be, lots of the world will be discovering him soon. Oh, see it right up here? Right here. See it? Kind of sticks around there for a bit, doesn't it? Going backwards and forwards. Very nice. So, let's go over and check out the other, the next day for, or actually this was yesterday, yeah, let's check out today's. All right, we're going to go frame by frame here. We can clearly see that there's one here, and there's definitely that one here that I was just showing you earlier, and there's definitely one here, and definitely one here. Now I'll kind of go frame by frame so you guys can kind of take a peek in on those areas, so that way you, when you see the change, you'll actually be able to look in those areas. Now you can see the coloring difference between the different planetoid round objects. So, and right here you can clearly see there's like a V going around it. This is where the plasma is actually pushing up against the planet / second sun, whatever this is. I don't know 100%. But I know it's a round global type object. But you can see the sun pushing it around here, and you can see the round object here. The other one is right up here. So I'll just kind of back it up. You see how the plasma is doing that. It's pushing around those things. That's how we know that there's something there. It's like as if you were to smoke, or vape, and you had let's say a ball of yarn on a needling thread, or a lollipop, and you were blowing smoke on it. It's going to go around that round object or lollipop or even a ball. It's got to go around it somehow. So that's exactly how this works, just like that. And then I'm going to actually play it faster for you, so as it's going, you'll actually see it rolling. You'll see the rolling here. I'll show you what I'm talking about here. And let's hit start. You see the rolling? It's like right here, and it's rolling out from the smoke. You can see that one rolling. You can see the one rolling right here. It's the second one, a little bit smaller, not as pronounced as that one, of course. I know your guys' eyes are going to want to be attracted to that one. And then there's the one here that was already off at a distance when it got blown off to the other side. But yeah, we've got quite a few of them actually. There's 1, 2, and then of course we know, well, this is the ones earlier. There was 3 of them from yesterday that were here that were just kind of ending right as this took over. So yeah, let's go see if we can check out another portion of seeds. Let's see if it's up and running. Now, this is over at Stereo Ahead. We do see a little bit of launch off over here. but they only gave us 27 frames. It's kind of jacked up. It looks like we got a little something over here to take a look at. Let's see what that was. Oh, what are you? That's pretty interesting, folks. How you see this now, but does everybody see this around it? Almost looks like the shape of a heart, doesn't it? Just like that. Holy cow, that actually does look like a heart. Like, literally exactly like a heart. Isn't that crazy? Comes up around here like this, down to a point, and then back around like this and over. In fact, it almost looks like it gets almost like it continues down here and then over to here and then goes from here then down to here. You know what I mean? Or this one goes over this way and then this way. Almost like a spiral. But like this is like the head of the ship or something. That's really, now I know it sounds like funny, like I'm seeing things, but I know I see the heart. That there's no question about it. I'm actually going to take a screenshot. This is amazing. Never seen one like that, folks. That's something. And you literally just did it with me right here. Same time. Well, by the time I post the video, but right here live with me. Almost can't make this up. But here we are the next day. Today, so far, there's only 9 frames from stereo ahead. And right up here. Oh, no. Come here. Look at that. It's almost like a heart. Now I know that these frames are it's pixelated and squared, but it's still, that's the heart shape that we saw when it was a lot closer. What is going on? Is the universe saying that it loves us? Like, that's pretty. Come on, you guys. Even everybody at home, you guys gotta be going. You guys have to be going. Huh? That's really weird. I don't care who you are. What are the odds of that? Like, come on. Oh my gosh. Oh, there was nothing else. So that was pretty much the only thing that just kind of stood out and popped out, with the exception of up here. There's a star or something bright that's moving off camera right up here, which happens all the time. So, yep. And then we can see the little round guy getting pushed off this side really well, which is not facing us. So, let's check out windy.com. Let's see where our nitrous dioxide and our PM 2.5 levels are at. And our high PM 2.5 level loser of the day would have to go to Sweden with 264 parts per million. Well, 264 centimeters cubed of parts per million of 2.5 microns, millimicrons actually. Oh, wrong way. Let's try to zoom in on the name. Here in Sweden, Luleå, Sweden. Yeah, everybody else seems to be doing pretty good on the PM 2.5 levels. Let's zoom out here and take a little scroll around Europe and Spain and Italy. Oh, yeah. It's not too bad. Looks like London, we might have a little, yeah, you're over 18, so they say anything over 10 is actually the worst, but oh, get a little north of that. Looks like we're getting 19. Oh, in the 20s, East Coast. East Coast, you're double up than what's they're considering safe, even though there's no safe levels. So try to stay out. If you're outside, be outside as little as possible. Oof. Yeah, over there in the East Coast. I know that's not London. Let's zoom in real quick and find out. And that is just south of Hull. Hull is 22 centimeters cubed of PM 2.5. Northern Italy, right here next to, that's Bern right there. But isn't CERN right here? Oh yeah, it is. So yeah, a little bit higher in Northern Italy. And also, what do we happen to have right up here in this area? Anybody remember? The Schumann. Schumann actually is right here. And Bern is here. And CERN is here. It actually kind of goes between these 3 areas right here. It was just like this. Yeah, pretty, because it goes into all 3 of these countries. So yep, high point Northern Italy in the 40s. Ooh, 50s. Ow. Man, it's almost like it's being done intentional. Let's go check out our nitrous dioxide levels. Iran wins the high 2.5 particles per million level of the day. Ouch. Stay safe, folks. Love only wins.